garage doors, and today we're going to talk about how to lubricate your garage door. So the first thing we want to do is lubricate the hinges. You want to spray the lubricant where the hinges pivot, as well as where the rollers enter and exit the hinge. For the center hinges, you just want to spray where the hinge pivots. Next, we spray the bottom and top brackets. You spray where the roller enters and exits through the bracket. Next, we lubricate the spring just by spraying the lube on top of it and spraying the center or the bearing in the middle of the spring. And last, just spray where the shaft comes through the bearing on both sides. So to recap, you want to use a good multi-purpose spray lube, and you want to spray the hinges where the pivot points are, as well as where the roller enters and exits through the hinge. On the bottom bracket and top bracket, you want to spray where the roller enters and exits through the bracket. And finally, you spray the spring in the center where the bearing is, as well as the length of both springs. It's good to do this every 6 months, and remember, if you're not sure of anything, or you feel uncomfortable, please contact your local garage door professional.